Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step dance tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the yummy TikTok dance. So it's the one that goes, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. What an awesome song by Justin Bieber. Am I right? And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests. And so that I'm not sure if you're just saying that I'm yummy. If so, thank you. If not, thank you. And thank you, Sakura, for being the first ones to request it. Alright, let's just get started. So this is what you'll be able to do at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down into two parts. If you are an advanced TikTok dancer, just skip to the part 1 and 2 preview and run through. But if you are a beginner, keep watching. Alright, so here's a preview of part 1. Girl, you got that yummy, 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 cat, cat. Girl, you got that yum. Alright, so let me break it down for you. First part is saying, yeah, you got that. Nothing on that. And then it goes yummy, yummy. You wanna go. You can stick your tongue out if you want and go left hand. So yummy, yummy. Upper body says body roll down, body roll down. So you want to lean here to your left. And then you want to say move direction here. Lean to your right. Up, lean, up, lean. Yeah, so this is the move. Body roll, body roll. And then you can add the legs. So you want to say, look here to your right corner, and then you want to go up with your leg, just slightly, right? And then turn to the other side, move it up slightly. Yeah, so just two of those. So, yeah, you got that. Let's just try that again. Yeah, you got that. So for the next part, you actually want to continue this move. So you're actually doing 4 of these in total, yeah? So it's yeah, you got that, yummy, yummy, 3, 4 again. And on the last 2, your arms are saying, so you did yummy, yummy, then you want to bring them up, yeah? While you're doing the last 2. Let's just go a bit back. We're gonna take it from the beginning. I'm gonna sing, yeah, you got that, yummy, 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 yummy. So 5, 6, I'm just gonna sing, yeah, you got that. So, yeah, you got that, yummy, yum, yummy, yum. Remember, you can always change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So right after that, you wanna do this wah, wah, wah that is being used in most TikTok dances. So what you're doing, you're taking your hands up like this, and then you wanna lean to the front, you wanna lean to the left, and then you want to go back to the center. But on the last one, you also want to throw your arms around here. Yeah, so let's just do that again. So front, left, throw here. 5, 6, 7, 8, front, left, throw around. And if it's going too fast for you, then you can always keep it small. You don't have to exaggerate, right? So you can just go stay here. Keep it down here, yeah? Alright, so right after front, left, throw them around. You want to do a wave here, starting with your left. Just do a fake one. No one is doing a proper wave. So right after the fake wave here, your left drops, right stays up here. Then you want to say opposite, opposite, and then whoa. Yeah, so let's just try that again. From wave, wave, left down, right up. Then you want to say opposite, opposite, and then whoa. Okay, so let me just explain the timing. So the beginning was yeah, you got that yum, yummy, 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 yum, cap, cap, and then he goes, yeah, you got that. Doom, doom. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of part 1, and then we're gonna practice. So quick recap, it's yeah, you got that, yummy, yum. Yummy, yum, cap, cap, girl, you got that, doom, doom. Okay, so let's practice that a bit slower. So I'm gonna go 7, 8, yeah, you got that, and yeah. So 7, 8, Yeah, you got that. Me yum, yum. Ka. Yeah, you got the yum. Alright, now let's try that a bit faster. So, 7, 8. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum. Ka. Yeah, you got that yum. And then a bit faster, one last time. 7, 8. Yeah, you got that yum. Ka. Yeah, you got the yum. Alright, moving on to part 2. So here's a quick preview of what we're gonna learn. So we ended on yeah, you got the yummy. Say that word on my way. Yeah, babe. Alright, so let me break down part 2. First move is super easy, it's just a clap. So from the wall, you wanna say clap. Now, from here, if you have a friend, you can go to the side, so opposite side. Your friend goes to the opposite side. And you wanna say side, however you want. But if you are alone, forever alone, then you can just stay on the spot and do just like you did here in the beginning, like that. But then you can do different arms. You can say up here, ow, up to your chest, ow. Just gonna show it from the side. It's gonna be like this. Whoop. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Yeah, so you want to say body roll. I'm leaning here to my left to begin with, and then right, and then left. So 3 of those. You want to say yummy. On the last one, I just want to gather. Yeah. So let's just do that from here. Clap, yum, gather. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yummy. Let's just try that again. So clap, yummy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum. Yeah? So from here, you want to say grab in. Yeah? And you don't have to exaggerate and go all the way up here. You can go a sudden one. Yeah? But you have to be quick. So grab. So I'm doing right here. And then I'm doing left. Yeah? So it's da-da, up, down. And this is on, yum. Say that word on my way. So, so let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. Let's do a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. Remember, you can do it small. Alright, let's just take the last step as well. So, we'll say the word on my way. From here, you want to say down. Yeah, so notice that my left elbow is here, down here. Right elbow is behind me. And then I want to say down. Yeah, so the elbows goes up. And then you want to say up, down. Or you can even go down and down. Yeah, so ta-ta, word, on my way, prep, down and down. Pretty simple, right? So, say the word on my way. Yeah, babe. You can even do a headbang in here. So let's just practice this part. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe. Yeah, so just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say the word on my way. yeah, big, yeah, big. Alright, so let me just recap part 2. So, from here, it's yummy, 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 yummy. Say the word on my way, yeah, big, yeah, big. Alright, let's practice that a bit slower. So, 5, 6. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yummy, 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 yummy. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yummy, 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 yum. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Alright, let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Yummy, 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 yum. Say that word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. And then one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Say that word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Alright, now a quick preview of part 1 and 2, so the whole dance. So it goes. Yeah, you got that, yummy, yum, yummy, yum, cat, cat. Girl, you got that yummy, yummy, yum, yummy, yum. Say that word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Alright, so let me just do a run through of part 1 and 2 to refresh your memory. So, from the beginning, it goes, yeah, you got that tongue. Lift up your leg against the opposite side. 3 arms up, keep going with your legs, yeah. From here you want to say, lean to the front, to the left, 3 arms around. Here, now you want to say fake wave, whoop, whoop. Left down, right up, you go opposite, opposite, whoa. From here you want to go clap, clap, and then you want to say lean to the left, lean to the right, lean to the left. From here you want to say gather before you go. Pull right in, pull left in, go arms down your body here, and then you want to say up, down, up, down. Alright, now let's practice. I'm gonna go super slow. And I'm gonna say 7, 8, yeah, you got that, and then we start, yeah? So 7, 8. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, yummy. Ka, ka. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yum. Say that word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Alright, now let's try that a bit faster. So, 7, 8. Yeah, you got that. Yum, 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 yum. Cap, cap. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. One last time, a bit faster. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, yum, yummy, yum. Cap, cap. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Justin Bieber yummy dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.